Okay, today we're going to show how to assemble the Crabtree VATS simulator. We have everything on the table that's ready to go that will come with the device. First we have the power cable that hooks into the side, and then we'll start to assemble the inner parts. This is the lung heart module that is ultimately what we're operating on. There's some valve protectors here on the bottom of it that we peel off. We align these. This is the diaphragm that we put into position down here. Position just like that. Now we can place the torso over the top. There are 4 small pins on the torso that line up with the holes on the base to allow for adequate placement of that. And we simply place the skin over top. And line up the holes on the skin with the pins. The next part is the control panel for power. Simply line this up, and it will turn clockwise. You line up the notches on the device and turn it slightly clockwise until you hear a click. And then the module will be self-explanatory. There is a start button that you'll ultimately push when we have the rest of the model set up. We have tubing on the upper side of the device that allows us to connect the fluid for flow for the arterial and venous system. This bag already has fluid in it, but just for the sake of demonstration, there is a device here that is designed to attach to this bag, and it locks in place, and then allows you to simply place water into the bag to fill it up as much as you need. There's also some red food coloring dye that comes with it to provide the color. Once you have enough volume in there, you simply push this blue button, which detaches this device that you'll use later to insert additional fluid if necessary. There is an intake bag, and it is marked to where it's the female, and it will attach to the male component for the intake of the fluid. There is a separate bag, which is the effluent that we capture after perfusing. You attach the male component of the bag to the female component of the device. Once that's ready to go, then you go through the system here on the screen that is generally self-explanatory. It will prime the system once you're ready to start, and then it'll also allow you to control both the flow and the pressure, and also volume settings for the device as well.